If you want to tell me that fuel injection is better than a carburetor, I won't believe you. You just don't get that sound with EFI. This is the ABS2 Edelbrock. That's clean fuel, by the way. 327, 64 Corvette. I got it dialed. I've been tuning on it about 45 minutes. And yeah. Boom. With the prices of spark plugs being that high, you know, Joe, thank you. The quick and easy way to give your vehicle a tune-up without putting in plugs is to dump one of these puppies in there. No, it's not. But it helps rebuild stuff. Right there, there's a rebuilt carburetor. There's a fuel pump. Ooh, there's a valve job. Hey, that's nice. There's some spark plugs. Lucas's Racing. I don't think it does well. Getting lightheaded. Oh, yeah. Hello. Yeah, you see all that rust? That's good. Now that I'm got over my lightheadedness, we'll move that one out of the way. We're going to put in a second tune-up because why would you not? That one looks like water, so that's good. Improves quality of gas. What about rust? Yeah, it's got to apply to that. There's got to be some leeway. Then you fix them up. I paid for all of it. I'm going to use it. And then that's basically like a new fuel system. No, but it makes me feel better. It's pretty much dialed. Could maybe come down on the idle just a spoke, but it's right about 950. This is about 45 minutes into adjusting. Still about 900. '64 Chevy Corvette 327 with a full barrel. It's been sitting a couple weeks. Let's do a cold start. Building oil pressure. There it goes. Ah. That's how you fix them puppies up. Yeah, it's shaking like a beach. We gotta do some adjustment on that carb. But it is, you know, it's a new one. Is that reversige? Yep. Well, it's reverse sensation. You just, I can't really tell much out of that mirror, and you know that one's Bluetooth, so We're just gonna bring her back. Oh yeah. Blue teeth mirrors, they're good. Will it idle with the clutch out? Oh yeah, it's spinning the input shaft. Wake up, Frenchies. 1968 Pontiac GTO 6.5, been sitting about a month. What? That's crazy. I can't believe that. No. Will she go in gear? Boom. No, that sounds terrible. We're just gonna put it back in the garage. Oh yeah, no power steering one-handed. Yep, that's easy. That's not difficult. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's definitely easy. Okay. Nope, that's third. Get in. Oh, hang on. Where's the clutch? Is that it? Found it. Ooh, I gotta thread this needle.